Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel. If you are new or if you are from the search part of YouTube, you can subscribe my channel not to miss the daily analysis and weekly analysis and our prediction for the next week. All right, this is DXY or US dollar index. As you can see, the price was moving downward up to this zone that we had a breakout and pullback, and the trend changed here, and we had the MTR, major trending change, and at the moment you can see the price is moving between these two zones, and what I guess would be stronger US dollar for the next week. And if it wants to be bearish, so this zone can act as a support, and also this dynamic support we have, it could move something like this, and we could have something bullish after maybe 1 or 2 days after Monday and Tuesday. Okay, the next market I always talk about is EURUSD with the great volume. And for EURUSD, if you can see, we had kind of uptrend, something like this, and breakout, pullback again, stronger bearish one, and again pullback. Now it is moving between these two zones. What I see for euro would be weaker euro in comparison with United States dollar, and what I generally guess for long term would be trading range between these two areas. Okay, one this area and this area. So I guess the price would make something like this, and it is moving between these two zones. And if I were you, I would update my chart like this, and these zones can act as support and resistance for you. So you can decide better for opening and closing other positions during the week. And the next item I always analyze is British pound. For the pound, we had the same situation like euro, and we can see we had something bearish, and I told you that if we have a breakout of these zones, so it happened, and you can see the price is moving between these two zones. But what I see would be weaker pound in the next week, and we could see these two zones maybe up to end of the week. And again, if you want to have a trading range, it would be like this, and it's going to move between this line 1.22 and 1.25 to 26. This is the trading range. What I expect will happen for next week. The other one, what I generally think is about currencies, most currencies or major currencies, is a trading range they have made, and it will continue. For US dollar and Japanese yen, I told you we have something like a trading range at this zone, and we had another reaction, and now from this zone it had bullish trend up to this zone. We should wait. I don't know, what I expect would be trading range. If there is a breakout of this line, we can see that it is going to see 127 again. But if it cannot see this zone and there is going to be a strong engulfing bullish candle and pullback, we can see 135 in long term. So there are two scenarios, and I guess this is not out of mind, and we should wait and see. I have drawn all the supports and resistance for you, and you can wait. If there is a breakout from this side, you could go for short. If there is a breakout of this zone, you could go for buy. The next two currencies we are going to talk about going to be Canadian dollar and United States dollar, or CADUSD. For CADUSD, I told you everything last week, and I told you that we might have a breakout of this dynamic zone, and we should wait a bit. Yes, it was, dynamic resistance. So we had a breakout, reaction to this area, again pullback and breakout, and again it can have some reaction to this area. But what I think, Canadian dollar is getting stronger due to last week they said about their interest rates. At the same time, you can draw this line, and now you can say Canadian dollar has a very strong, support at this zone. And I guess we can see this zone first, 0.80, and 0.81 is not out of mind, in next week. We should wait to see what will happen. But if it wants to be bearish, I will tell you both scenarios, okay? So you can see these zones can act as support and resistance. And the last market would be Australian dollar. I always analyze and let you know about. So USD AUD, we had stronger United States dollar, and what you can see is kind of downtrend, but this downtrend is about to be changed. What I think would be maybe a breakout of this zone and pullback, and we can see this zone again. And for Australian dollar, again, I guess it would be in trading range like this. And we could see this zone again, but we should wait to see what will happen next, because both countries have increased their interest rates, and what I see for long term is, something like trading range. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and share this analysis with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And this action makes me more energetic to post you more analysis apart from this daily and weekly analysis. Have fun and bye.